Mabuhay! I'm Grace Garcia. We will be talking about encode and decode. For example, you're going to California. You just type DNS. DNS is like transaction code. For example, DNS and California. If you want state code, you just put like DNS CA. So, this is how you encode and decode. Just type DNS, that's transaction code, and for example, the state's name is California, you just put CA, and that's all. Thank you.